Hi guys, here we go. We're going to go a very short flip video this time on 2.2. We are talking about the changes in matter. And we need to know what's a physical versus a chemical change. So a physical change is a change that changes the way, the form or the appearance of matter, but doesn't make a substance into something new. And a change of state is a physical change. So going from a solid to a liquid or a liquid to a gas would just be considered a physical change. Think of ice melting into water. That's just a physical change. And then water evaporating is just a physical change. A chemical change produces one or more new substances. So one of the easiest ones to take a look at is tarnishing. So if you have silver or brass, and it's just reacting with the air around it, it ends up making a new dark coating on a piece of metal. And that's tarnishing. We're creating something new. Also, like the rusting of a car, that happens because of the interaction with the chemicals in the water and the air and in the car, and you create rust, which wasn't there before. So that's a chemical change or chemical reaction. It's important to also know that there is the law of conservation of matter. Whenever you see the law of conservation of anything, that means nothing is lost or gained. It all goes somewhere and it all comes from somewhere. So when you have whatever you start off with, as far as counting molecules, that'll be what you end up with as well. So in this example, I have one carbon atom, this big gray thing, 4 hydrogen atoms, which are the small blue things, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I add it to 4 oxygen atoms here, even though this symbolizes a chemical reaction occurred, you're going to still end up with the same head count, even though they might be arranged differently and create something new. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens, we still have our 1 carbon, and we still have 4 water molecules. Law of conservation of matter is really important because it's going to help us understand everything came from something and went to something. And they just rearrange, but they don't just disappear. So now I'd like you to go ahead and go to this URL here, goo.gl/C1 lowercase ned, and answer the questions. There's 3 of them. And remember, you have to be logged into your Pleasanton account in order to access this page. Thanks. Have a great day.